Hi, my name is Caitlin Hagar-Kuhn, and I am current president of Women in GIS, soon to be past president. I've also been acting as interim chair for the Professional Development Committee. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our committee, that it provides professional development for all of our members. They're responsible for holding regular monthly meetings. Right now, they are on the third Thursday of every month, but that can be altered to better fit the committee members. The professional development chair is also responsible for coordinating professional development workshops. We have quarterly workshops, as you see here. Those are all soft skills, critical skills that everyone needs in the workplace. So it's not necessarily having to do with GIS or any technical skills. They're everything from how to do a presentation to um, uh, best practices in governance or any topics like that. The committee is also responsible for coordinating the pop-up technical talks. These are not on a regular schedule, but they provide GIS and technical skills to our membership. And then the committee is also responsible for collaborating the lightning talks. So those are also ad hoc, but grouping those lightning talks together and putting them on the schedule for events for members. The committee is responsible for managing the professional development library as a resource to the members, and it is just an archive of all the recorded events and other things at various conferences and meetings to act as a one-stop shop library for any professional development resources that our membership may need. Uh, the team is also responsible for facilitating and moderating during any of these professional development workshops, talks, or seminars. So the quarterly ones this year in 2023 will happen in the end of March and June, September, and December. So any of the committee members can be a facilitator or a moderator with whoever is giving that workshop, but that's our team that is responsible for that. So if you have any questions about this committee, please email prodev, that's PRODEV, at womeningis.org.